Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how to separate audio from video file in Camtasia video editing software. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about how best you can use Camtasia video editing software. So with that being said, let's get started. So welcome back to this video. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you go to the timeline and make sure you right click on the video clip. Then when you right click on the video clip, at this point here, you have to look for separate audio and video. Click on that, just like so. In a few seconds, the audio is going to be separated from the video file, just like what you see right here. So basically, this is how to separate audio from video in Camtasia video editing software. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Camtasia video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.